So this is the mountain where I'm trying to fly to. I don't have a special setup at all, just the average 5-inch 6S FPV drone, and I'm flying with a 1300 mAh battery, so it's not that big. Every time I look at this mountain, I wonder whether I could make it there with my drone, so I decided I'd try it today. I thought worst case scenario, I'd just have to land in the field where I'm flying from, and go for a little bit of a walk to pick it up. So after this little throttle up to get over this hill here, I realised how low my battery was getting. I was trying to fly as conservatively as I could, but my battery was just dropping so fast. It was pretty crazy. My battery went from 3.5 volts to 3.2 volts in about 20 seconds, so there must have been something wrong. And here, my battery got to 3.2 volts and I realised I'd have to land before my drone fell out of the sky. And I'd have to go for a bit of a hike. Now, it's getting dark, but I knew I wouldn't sleep if my drone was still on this hill. I knew I landed here, so I quickly got some shoes on and started running to get it. I wasn't too worried about not finding it because I have a V-Fly finder. Those things beep real loud and go for like 2 days before running out of battery.
Yes! Woo! Yes! Look at that. Oh, turn you off.
Now, in total, my hike to get the drone and back was about 4 kilometers. All in all, this is pretty fun, and I thought it got some decent footage, so hopefully I can do more stuff like this, except without losing